Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. This is a Kingbolan battery analyzer and I'm going to be using this on my 2010 Peugeot Rcz. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. Okay, this is the packaging. It does 6 volts, 12 volts and 24 volts. It has an over voltage input protection. It's got polarity reverse protection. It's got SOC and SOH test, and it's compatible with all these that I've just mentioned. It's telling you here quickly what to do, which is to put the positive on the positive, the negative on the negative. It also tells you, it's got a little chart here telling you how healthy your battery should be. And you also get some instructions. This is the packaging. It's not the best, but one good thing is, instead of having to cut this off, it has got these little nibs that you just push out. So let's get out the packaging. Okay, so this is it out of the packaging. I take it that it uses the battery to maybe power this. Let's see if it has. It must do, because I can't see any batteries in it at all. How would that work if it was a low battery? I don't know. Seems fairly straightforward. Seems pretty well built, and these crocodile clips seem quite decent quality as well. So I think the first thing we need to do, which is quite tricky on the Rcz, because obviously it's got a battery cover, let's get the battery cover off and then let's attach this up and see what it does. Okay, so that's off. Mine's a little bit easier to get off. You will need a tool for this to take the back one off. I think it's an 8 or a 10, but mine's a bit faulty, so it has enough grip but it's worn out. I will be replacing this at some point. This is your positive. Obviously you saw me undo this, you just lift that, no tools required. My battery cover's a bit battered because I've had it on and off a lot. You just rest this on top. I will be replacing all this in a future video, so you can have these looking like new again. So let's get this attached and see what this is like. Okay, so these are the instructions. They're all in different languages here, so if you do speak other languages, this will be really useful for you. The English one is just here, and it's very basic instructions telling you how to connect it all up, and then just using the trigger buttons to select which menu you need. It also tells you how to do it on the back here as well, and it also tells you how to change the ampage, which is down as CCA here. The instructions are good enough to follow on the back as they are in the guide as well. So let's get this connected. So your negative goes to the minus symbol on the back. Your red wire then goes to the positive plus sign on the front here. As soon as you connect the battery, it lights up and you can see it flashing here. It's asking me to select 6, 12 or 24, so you press the up and down to select which one you want. We want 12, so we've selected 12. Now you press OK. Now it's going to ask you for the CCA, which is the ampage. This should be available to you on the battery itself, and I'm going to show you where to find that. You just come around here and it says there, look, so it says 680 amps, so that's what we're going to put into the unit. All we're going to do is go up. You can do it in 10s, or you can press and hold and it'll fire up like that. There we go, 680, and all you do now is press OK and it'll start running through the test. And there you go, it has passed. As fast as that. What was that, 10 seconds? It tells you in the bottom left hand corner that it's good and everything is fine, and you can see the ampage is in the 605 range. So it's as simple as that to tell you if the battery is in good condition or not. It's so helpful, and I'm really impressed with it. There's no off button on this, so to turn it off, all we're going to do is disconnect the wires, and there you go. It goes off. I'm now going to put everything back together as it was. Would I recommend this Kingbolan battery tester? Absolutely, 100%. It's a really good tool to keep in your toolbox, so I would definitely recommend having this. I am not sponsored by these guys. This is purely my own opinion on this tool. As always, thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.